Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I'm going to try doing the black tile experiment again. This time I'm going to change the parameters just a little bit. I'm also got a new camera. We'll see how this one works. Should be better. This time I'm going to actually lower the resolution, increase the speed, see if we can do the tile faster, and see what it looks like. I'll be doing the Yin Yang cats again, so let's get to it. We'll see how this high-tech videotaping of the computer monitor works. Unfortunately, this computer is a little too slow to run Lightburn and actually do the video capture at the same time, so we'll video capture the old-fashioned way. So let's start with our old project. And what we're going to change are some parameters. So what to do? I'd like to burn this faster. So I'm going to go at 1200 at 100% power. I'm going to decrease this to 0.1 millimeters per line. So the resolution, right, I guess I didn't get my decimal in there. Let's try that again. 0.1. There we go. So that lowers that just a little bit. Hopefully that will work well. Our overscan at 3 millimeters is fine. The question is, do I want to go even lower than that? We'll try it at this. Right, so we've got this set at 1200 millimeters per minute. Got 100% power, and we're going to run this at 0.1 millimeters per line. So essentially we get 10 scans per millimeter, and we'll do it vertically like we've been doing because that seems to work well. So we'll go ahead and accept that. Okay, this says it's going to take an hour and 18 minutes to do, which is still kind of on the long side. But it's an hour faster than the other one. Alright, let's send this to the laser and see what it does. We're still focused from the last time, so I don't need to refocus the laser. Hopefully that shows up that nice little dot there. So what we need to do is square the tile next. So I'm going to adjust this into the corner. I have a macro that'll just run this back and forth. Okay, so I can see the tile's a little not square, so we'll do this again. There we go. Now I'm going to get this closed up, get the fan turned on. It's as simple as plugging it in. And we'll make sure the damper's open. And we'll put the acrylic sheet back in. we learned? We've learned that when we have the camera in time-lapse mode, we have to turn that off when we're shooting regular video. Otherwise, it's just going to be a time-lapse. We've also learned that burning these black tiles kind of doesn't work so well in one pass. It looks like really 2 passes, maybe even 3 is the trick. Whether we go slow or fast on the first or second pass doesn't seem to make a whole lot of difference. So I think going the faster route is a time saver. I'm going to lower the resolution a little bit too on another test and see what that does. We were at the 0.1 millimeter per line. I'm wondering if we go at something almost, maybe even half of that. We'll see. So, anyway, that's all I have for now. Camera's working well. I'm looking forward to seeing the slow motion. The intentional slow motion, that is. Oops. Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.